In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can check the Wi-Fi band or hertz your iPhone is connected to, because knowing whether you're on 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz can help you with speed and connectivity. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what you're going to want to do first is actually open up the settings on your phone and go to the Wi-Fi tab just like so and look at the name. Some routers are going to have separate network for different bands, so the name may indicate it alone. If not though, what you're going to want to do is actually open up the App Store and search specifically for an app called Airport Utility. Go ahead and type that in, hit get on this app right here, and then hit install. And then before even opening the app, go back into your settings. And what you're going to want to do is just search up Airport Utility, open up the app settings, and turn on this Wi-Fi scanner. From here, now you can go ahead and open up that app, hit allow, and then hit Wi-Fi scan up at the very top. Hit scan again. It's going to load for a second. And it's going to show you all of this information that I have blurred out. But essentially, if the network channels are 1 through 14, it's going to be 2.4 gigahertz, and if it's outside that range, it's most likely 5 gigahertz. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And if at any point throughout this guide, this did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.